What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kelly Augustine. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you are not new here, welcome back, y'all. I'm so excited to be talking to you guys today. I'm in a new apartment and I want to show you guys around. I'm super excited to be here. I'm sitting on the floor right now. My bike is in the back. But you know, I'm here. The one thing that COVID has taught me is the value of space and like being in a home that I actually really love. And for months and months and months, I was going back and forth like, should I stay in New York? I even asked you guys on Instagram to give me some recommendations for cities to move to. Like, I was really focused on leaving New York City. I was looking at New Orleans and I was looking at LA, like very seriously looking at LA and New Orleans. And this apartment just popped up. I'm in Harlem now, which, like, as a kid growing up, I went to school in Harlem. I worked in Harlem in high school for all of high school, and I always said, like, man, when I'm grown, I'm gonna live in a brownstone, or like I'm gonna live on 125th Street, you know, like I had just always said that I wanted to live in Harlem. So this is all kind of bittersweet. It's bittersweet. Everything's coming full circle. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And I got all of the things that I wanted from a space, which was almost impossible between budget and location and all of that stuff. I did not think that I was going to be able to find all of the things that I wanted, and I did. So I'm just really happy to be here, and I'm so proud of myself and just excited and like, So let me walk you guys through the space, because obviously you're going to be seeing a lot of me in here. So let me walk you through the new space. Alrighty. So this is the apartment. It's very like New York City, kind of boxy in a way. But when you come in the door, here we are. This area, I'm making my cloffice. So I'm gonna have my desk here, a dresser drawer here probably, and you know I love a full-length mirror situation, so I might put one here. This apartment is smaller, much smaller than my current apartment, so I'm gonna have to get really crafty with storage. This space though, I'm thinking maybe putting a dresser and then like some shelving above the dresser and like a little clothing rack over here. And then yeah, I'm gonna have my desk and a seat there. Next, we have this kitchen, which I mean, I have never had a kitchen space like this before, ever. I've never had like a modern, updated kitchen. I haven't had a dishwasher in a few years, and I have not had like a modern dishwasher ever. I love the backsplash. Like, this apartment, once I walked into it, I knew that it was for me because it matches the aesthetic of my current apartment, like the way that I have built my apartment out, with the wood, the black, and the white. Yeah. And I love the finishes. Like, this is a matte black. Like, this is exactly what I would have chose. Even the backsplash, I would have chose this. There's these floating cabinets here that are dope. Then we have our microwave, our stove. I'm not an electric stove person, so that's gonna be a real adjustment for me. You guys know I love to cook, and so I'm gonna have to learn how to use an electric stove, so that'll be interesting. And then my fridge, I've never had a double fridge like this. I like where the fridge is on top and the freezer's on bottom, so that'll be cool. yeah, and then there's lots of storage up here. So I was thinking, obviously, like I might put a plant up here. I'm definitely gonna put some cookbooks up here. I'll put maybe my pots and like some, I mean, not my pots, my plates and everything. Like it'll be a really nice, like I'm gonna decorate it. It's gonna be really cool. Um, and then this over here is like my living room space. So this is much tighter than my current living room, but I'm going to have my couch here and my TV over here. And my bedroom, oh man, this is gonna kill y'all. This is my bedroom and it is pretty tight. And again, this is gonna have to be like a creative storage solution situation. Also, this light is off center and it drives me absolutely insane. So I'm trying to think like, should I cover it? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll get another shelf to offset it because like the way that it is right now drives me absolutely crazy. But this is my closet and so many of you guys have noticed, like I was talking about how I had to downsize on Instagram and sell all my clothes. This is why. This is the only closet for clothes in this apartment. That's all I get. Which is like, absolutely, this is crazy. So, you know, I'm gonna definitely get some baskets and stuff. I have like a lot of hoodies and sweatshirts. So I'm gonna be folding them up and putting them on on one shelf. And then I'm gonna have like baskets and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna have to really figure out some like nifty storage. I'm thinking about getting some clear shoe boxes and putting those at the bottom. And then I'll probably be using this wall space to maybe put some hooks. I'm thinking, because you know, you guys, I love a robe. So I'm thinking of maybe putting some hooks on the wall here so I can hang my robes. Yeah, that's the apartment. Oh wait, actually no, I didn't show you guys the bathroom. And I didn't show you the best part of the apartment. So this is the bathroom and it is, again, the finishes are so beautiful. Let me turn the light on. And there's 3 layers of lighting in every room. They just cleaned that toilet. I didn't use it, I promise. But the finishes are incredible in here. You have the matte black towel rack. This is my mirror. The cabinet. And the cabinet's pretty big. This is the cabinet in here. And then I love this. Number one, look how gorgeous this sink is. And then you pull that out and there's all that storage, which is dope. And then the best part is this tub. And I would get in it to show you, but it is like a big soaking tub, which is very rare in New York City apartments. So I'm gonna install my shower rod, or they're gonna install the shower rod, but this is gonna be really nice. My one challenge, to be quite honest, is where am I gonna put Nola? Like, where am I gonna put Nola's stuff? But that's something that I'll figure out later. Turn the lights off here. So the best part of this apartment, outside of like the amenities and stuff, because the reason, let me turn the camera around actually and talk to you guys. The reason that I moved into this apartment, outside, because I was really looking for something that was modern and updated. I was really, really adamant about that. I really wanted outdoor space and I really wanted amenities. I wanted a place in these COVID times. I need somewhere that has access to everything. So I wanted a place that had like a gym and a laundry room and all that stuff. And this building has that. It has a rec room. It has a co-working space. Like, there's just everything here. And I really, really wanted outdoor space. Having to crawl out of my tiny bedroom window to go sit on the fire escape, which was also very small, during like March, April, and May, really, it messed with me. it messed with me. And I just was like, man, I don't want us to have a second spike and I'm not comfortable. And so, all of that to say, this apartment has outdoor space. And I'm taking a risk by bringing you guys out here because you will see what neighborhood I'm in, but I want to show you guys this. Oh my gosh, well, I want this. Oh, am I doing it wrong? Oh, duh, Kelly. Push, not pull. So this is my terrace. And I have so much space here. It is shared, but my neighbor I know will be incredible. So I'm thinking I'm going to put, so my neighbors downstairs, actually, let me show you the neighbors downstairs. They've already like started decorating theirs. They just moved in. Hi! So my neighbors, they put like such cute stuff out here. They have like a couch, a table, all of that stuff. So I think I'm gonna do, I really want to get dining out here since I won't have a dining in here. I really want to get dining out here, and I do want like a couch of some sort. So that's something that I'm gonna have to really think about. But yeah, this is why I moved here. And this building, the way that the windows are, you have like this brown tint to them. When the sun sets on the west here, when the sun sets, the way that it reflects off this building, man, that's the space, y'all. That's the apartment. Super excited to move in tomorrow. And man, don't ever let anyone tell you that something is not possible. Don't. The way that I manifested this apartment, I want to say this all happened within like 3 days. I was very, very seriously looking at LA. I had my friends giving me neighborhoods to look at. Like I was looking at Lofton downtown. Like I was very serious about it. Hold on, let me close this door. And I just said, man, I wonder if I need to leave New York or I need to leave the neighborhood that I'm currently in. And I said that out loud. A few hours later, I sat down on my computer and went on realtor.com. I saw this building. I sent a note. By the next afternoon, I was here looking at the place. By 2 days later, I was approved. You can do anything that you set your mind to. Once you get your energies aligned and you do things that feel right, you will be unstoppable. Let me tell you that. I will tell you that. I will attest and I will praise to that. We can do it, y'all. We can do it. We can do it. Anyway, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna head out. I love y'all. And I'll see you next video. Bye.